Good afternoon, students. Welcome to day 17 class. Now, today we are going to discuss about mensuration. Already yesterday class we discussed. What we discussed? Perimeter of rectangular figures, and also word problems also we discussed. How to solve the problems, that one also already we discussed. Then now we are going to discuss about your exercise 10.1, exercise 10.1 problems. So many problems are there, but I given yesterday. What I given? Look at that here. Find the perimeter of the each of the following. I given this, but how many students done I don't know. But you have to send your, after completion of your exercise work, you have send to WhatsApp through. Then I will check that is correct or not. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about this figure. I am going to solve. Okay. What is the given problem? First of all, you should write. What is that? This is the given figure. Okay. Yes. Now it is look like this type figure is there, and also here 1 centimeter it is. Okay. Then this is 0.5 centimeter cm. It is also 0.5 cm. Okay. Then this is 4 cm. This is also 4 cm, and this is 2.5 cm, and it is also 2.5 cm. Yes. Any? Okay. All sides length also is given there. Okay. Look at this figure. One side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many sides are there? 7 sides are there. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter. Okay. This is the given problem. But you have to write direct, or you should mention their name of the corners. Okay. First of all, this is A, this is B, C, D, E, F, it is G. Okay. Then you have to write here A to B. How much length is there? 4 centimeter. It is very easy. All is here only. You should collect and write that. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಿಗರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, but all is here only, but you have to find and write. We start from running here, then you have to join this, coming this type, we are running upwards, coming and going same place. Then how much distance we cover, that one you should. First A to B, how much length is there? AB plus B to C, BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GA. This is the size. Okay. Then is equal to AB length, how much is there? 4 plus BC length 0.5. Okay. Then CD 2.5 plus DE 2.5 plus EF 0.5 plus FG 4. Then GA 1 cm. Okay. This is the given problem. Okay. Then what you wrote here, all because addition symbol is there, you have to add carefully. Okay. First of all, you should write this type 4, then 0.5, 2.5, 2.5, 0.5, then it is 4, then it is 1. Okay. You have to add it. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Then 2 carry, 1, point below point. Then 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 2, 13, 14, 15. It is 15. Then total distance is perimeter is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the final answer. Okay. All of you first draw this figure correctly, then afterwards you should write the answer. Okay. Write down first. I hope all of you solved this problem all, because this is only critical means I solved there, and remaining this one 1 2 3 4 you have to solve own. Okay. Then here only is given there one problem. It is also I explained yesterday. This is 25 25 25. All sides should be same length, means that is we should call that figure is square figure. Then this is also we discussed. Then remaining here so many problems are there. Now I am going to discuss that one. First one is seventh one I am going to discuss. Okay. Then that type so many problems are there, you have to solve own. Okay. Seventh one, what is there? Find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring, sides also is given there, measuring 10 centimeter, comma 14 centimeter, comma 15 centimeter. Okay, this is the given problem. Remember that problem, you should read. Find the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 10 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 15 centimeter is there. But all sides measurement should be changed. Understood? This is which type of triangle? Because in the first semester you have to study types of triangle according to size. There are three parts. First one is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, another one is scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides should be equal length. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal length. Scalene triangle means all sides are different length. Okay. First of all, you should draw one rough diagram. This rough diagram you should take any measurement. Afterwards, you should write the corner name x, y, and z. Then give the name 10 centimeter. Afterwards, 14 centimeter. Afterwards, 15 centimeter. It is rough diagram only, because of solution should be easy. That's why you have to write this type. Afterwards, you have to do first is perimeter. We want perimeter. Perimeter means total length of the boundary. But then we want x, y, z, zx. How much is there? First of all, you should write xy plus yz plus zx. Then xy 10 plus 15 plus 14. How much is there? 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 4, 39 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is 39 centimeters. This is the answer. Okay. All of you write this question red pen and this one you should write in blue pen. Okay. Write down fast. Next one. Ninth one. Find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meters. What is the given figure here? Find the side of the square. One square figure is there. Okay. This is one square figure. This square figure perimeter is given already. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 20 meter. Understood? This figure perimeter is given first, but they don't know square figure length. Question mark. We don't know length. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ದ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಗರ್ is 20 meter, but they don't know one side length. First you should find the one side length. First of all you should write what is the formula of perimeter of square. First you should write P of S is equal to 4 into length. Understand? But perimeter of square is already given. How much is there? 20. You should fill up that formula. Perimeter of square is 20 meter is equal to 4 as it is. You should write afterwards multiplication then length, because length we don't know. That's why as it is you should write. In this formula, what we want? Length. The measurement of length we want. That's why you take outside that. Length is equal to 20. 20 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 20 ಲೆಂತ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು, 20 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 into length ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 4 multiplication should be change that symbol, that is multiplication, that is divide. Division. Length is equal to 20 divided by 4. Then you should cancellation method you have to use and do it. 4 1 जा 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 4 3 जा 12 4 4 जा 16 4 5 जा 15. It is 5. Understand? Then the side length is equal to 5 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. How to solve this type problem you know? Okay. Understood all of you? Okay. Ninth one you take the question you should write, afterwards answer you have to write. Okay. Write down first. Next, 15th one problems. 15th one. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter, and Bulbul runs around rectangle park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter, who covers less distance. Okay, first of all you should read the problem carefully. Okay, what is given here? Sweetie runs around a square park. Sweetie and Bulbul are friends. They going to walk or runs different place, and this is square park. Sweetie runs, and this is rectangle park. Bulbul runs. Okay, and square park length also is given there. What is the length? 75 meter. Because only length is given there, sir. Why, sir? Don't confuse it, because square figure have only length, because all sides should be same. And Bulbul runs this rectangular park. The rectangular park length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Okay, you should find who runs less. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ಎಂಬ ಎರಡು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಬ್ಳು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಓಡಿದಾಳ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಓಡಿದಾಳ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಡಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಓಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ರನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್. That's why you should find the perimeter of square figure. Step 1. Square park length is equal to 75 meter. Then perimeter question mark. We don't know means that is question mark. Then perimeter of S is equal to P of S is equal to 4 into length. Okay, because square figure have 4 sides, but all sides should be same. Then 4 into length, how much is there? 75 meter. Okay, then 4 75 4s are, then 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, remember in your mind. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. Perimeter of S is equal to 300 meter. Okay, this is the first step answer. Sweetie runs how much meter? 300 meter. Then we have to do second step. Step 2. Okay. Then rectangle park length. Rectangle park length is how much? 60 meter. And breadth is 45 meter. Then what is the formula? Perimeter we don't know. Perimeter is equal to question mark. What is the formula? Perimeter of R. P of R is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. Then P of R is equal to 2 as it is bracket L is Then 105 to the how much? 210. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 210 meter. This is the who runs less. Yes. Step 3. Therefore, Bulbul runs less distance. This is the answer. ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅದಾವು. ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಓಡ್ತಾಳ, ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಓಡ್ತಾಳ. ಅವ್ರು ಓಡಿದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಓಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ದ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, 300 ಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವೀಟಿ ರನ್ಸ್ 300 ಮೀಟರ್. ದೆನ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 210 ಮೀಟರ್. ದೆನ್ ಬುಲ್ಬುಲ್ ರನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 210 ಮೀಟರ್. 300 bigger or 200 bigger? Yes, 300 should be bigger. Then Sweetie runs more. That's why then Bulbul runs less distance. Okay. First this question you should write in red pen and answer you should write in blue pen. Step 1, step 2, this type you have to write. Don't write opposite. Okay, write down first. Next one, this is last one. I am going to solve 2 sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the perimeter of the triangle is 36 meter. What is its third side? What is third side? Length. Understand? You should read 2 sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter is there. Because a triangle have how many sides? 3 sides because it is the triangle. Understood? It is triangle figure. This triangle figure have how many sides? 3 sides. This is x, y, z. Okay. Then they are given the perimeter of this figure. The perimeter of this figure is 36 meter is given, but one side length is 12 centimeter, another one is 14 centimeter is given, but third side length not given. Understand? First you should write AB length. First AB length is equal to 12 cm. Is it right? And BC XZ XY length is equal to 12 cm. YZ length is equal to 14 cm. Then ZX YZ is equal to question mark. But they are given the triangle XYZ is equal to 36 meter perimeter. Perimeter is 36 meter is given. Okay. First of all, this is the given fact. और ये ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ y xy ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ xz ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಬಟ್ yz ಲೆಂತ್ we don't know, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. But they are given total perimeter of this figure. Total perimeter of this figure is 36 meters. Then you have to do it here. xy plus y, xy plus xz plus yz is equal to 36. Because what is 36? Is the 36 path ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 36 ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, then xy length how much is there? 12 plus xz how much is there? 14 plus yz they are not given, then you have to write as it is. Yz is equal to 36. Is it right? Then we should add it. 12 plus 14 how much? 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 2 6, 2 plus yz is equal to 36. Direct go ಇಲ್ಲಿ 26, two sides total length is 26, but one side length we don't know. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. is equal to yz is equal to 36 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 26 is equal to ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ದಾಟಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that should be minus 26. then it is yz is equal to 6 minus 6 it is 0, 3 minus 2 1, it is 10 meters. Then you should write here third side length is equal to 10 meters. This is the answer. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, write down this one write in red pen and this one write in blue pen. Write fast. Dear students, and remaining so many problems are there. All problems you have to solve own. Any doubt means you have to send WhatsApp through, then we will discuss and I will send you. Okay, then here also is there problems. Look at here, this one also you have to solve. Any doubt means you have to call or message, then I will explain you. Okay, thank you.